cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. So here I'm on the website and I'm just going to add an item to my list here. So let's search for a wallet and let's say that we want to purchase this wallet. So you want to go to the item itself, give it some time to load up right here, choose the variation, and let's say that we want to buy it now. So once we get to this page, you will see inbound with original package. Inbound with original package refers to that before your products arrive stored in the warehouse. So if you select the service, your parcel will still be unpacked to check for contraband. If the packaging box does not meet the requirement of the service, the system will automatically cancel it for you. So here, what you gotta do is just basically click on inbound with original package. The person tells us here on Reddit that if you ship stuff that is in boxes without the boxes, if you don't need them, then you will get a cheaper package. So you just gotta tick no original box on the page right here. So original, unpack the original box. If we click on no, this should give us a cheaper shipping. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.